Всем привет, Юлия is here, рубрика «А в чем же разница?». Сегодня разбираем два слова, которые переводятся на одинаково, но имеют совершенно разное значение. Окей? Stay tuned and поехали! Два слова, которые переводятся совершенно одинаково, это costume and suit. Оба костюм, и тот костюм, и этот костюм, но в чем же разница? Разбираемся, в чем разница. Costume – это тот костюм, который вы одеваете, чтобы нарядиться, переодеться в кого-то, например, for Halloween or some kind of party, stuff like that. Да? То есть, когда вы наряжаетесь в костюм дельфина или в костюм Робин Гуда, да? Например, yesterday was a Halloween party, and you remember Monica, she was wearing a dolphin costume. Or a mermaid costume, или костюм русалки. Ну а почему бы и нет, right?
I know it's last minute, but we've decided to have a Halloween party.
Oh, good!
Yeah, and everybody has to wear costumes.
Oh, no, I can't have it.
Come on, it'll be fun.
Well, I'll be there. I mean, I have to wear a costume to all my classes that day anyway, so.
Well, I'm a potato.
Wow, I don't have the worst costume anymore.
Suit – это бизнес-костюм, это тот костюм, который люди носят, чтобы ходить в офис, на работу, на встречи, stuff like that. Okay? For example, look at Nick. He's finally got a new suit, because before that, he was wearing the old ones. Давайте посмотрим фрагмент.
What do you think?
I think it's kind of frightening how good I look.
It's a beautiful suit. I think we should take it.
Jesus. $1,800. I guess I better not spill anything.
Don't worry. It's my treat.
What?
I invited you to this thing. I want to pay for the suit.
No way. You're not buying me a suit.
But I wanted to do this for you.
Then I start to think of you like my mother, and that can get a little weird for me.
Sorry, sir, it was declined.
Dave, forget it. It's too expensive.
Now, would you just let me buy the fucking suit?
Hey, you want to do something tonight?
Okay, meet me at the bar in 15 minutes and suit up.
Hey,
Where's your suit? Just once when I say suit up, I wish you'd put on a suit.
I did, that one time.
It was a blazer.
Okay, I hope it was interesting and useful. Сохраняйте видео, чтобы не потерять, или отправь это тому, кто изучает английский. Be cool, learn English, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye!
no costume?
No, look closer. I'm the scariest thing in New York. Jilted at 41. Boo.